Christianity and Islam, two of the largest religions in the world. Both have billions of followers, sacred texts, and ideas on how to live a good life. But do you really know what sets them apart? In Christianity, the focus is Jesus Christ, Son of God, who died and rose to save humanity. The Bible teaches love, forgiveness, and faith, but also contains complex rules and stories. Christians gather on Sundays, use the cross as a symbol, and practice rituals like baptism and Mass. In Islam, the focus is Allah. Muhammad is the prophet who received God's word, recorded in the Quran. There are clear rules: praying 5 times a day, fasting during Ramadan, giving charity and submitting to God's will. But beware, interpretations vary. Some radical groups misuse Islam to justify violence, but they do not represent the majority who live their faith peacefully. Christianity and Islam share values: justice, helping others, and morality. They differ in central beliefs. Christians believe in the Trinity and salvation through faith in Jesus. Muslims in the oneness of God and the importance of good deeds with faith. Here's something to think about. How do ancient traditions shape today's conflicts? Why do some interpretations lead to war while others teach peace? What if more people understood the differences without fear or hate? In the end, both aim for a connection with God and a better way to live. What changes is how each interprets that connection and acts in the real world. What do you think? Have you reflected on this before? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics that make you think.